I feel very privileged to be the recipient of this special oneness honor. I believe that all people living together in unity is one of the most important messages we can teach our children. What more can I give? It's just an example for the world of how beautiful the world can be, what a beautiful place it can be. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. I would like to thank personally Casey Porter and the staff members of Oneness whose work on What More Can I Give and the Spanish version, Todo Para Ti, Todo Para Ti, Todo Para Ti, Todo Para Ti.
Can we try? Can we try it just one more time?
Todo Para Ti has been invaluable. I love you, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm sorry about the hiccups. 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 Thank you so much. I love you.
Because, thank you. Oh, I love you. I love you more.